Hello Windows Insiders, welcome to GG channel. Today Microsoft releasing Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 26090 to the Canary and Dev channels. What's new in Build 26090? Widgets board improvements. Restarting the rollout of the Widgets board improvements that originally began rolling out with Build 26058 to Windows Insiders in the Canary channel. Those improvements include introducing a new navigation bar on the left allowing you to switch between a dedicated Widgets dashboard and other integrated dashboards like Discover. More server message block (SMB) protocol changes. Starting with Build 26085 and higher, Microsoft introducing the following server message block (SMB) protocol changes for quick signing and encryption. SMB over Quick Client disable. Administrators can now disable the SMB over Quick Client with Group Policy and PowerShell. To disable SMB over Quick using PowerShell, run the following command in an elevated console. Set SMB client configuration enable SMB QUIC $false. To disable SMB over Quick using Group Policy, use GPMC, MSC or GPEDIT, MSC to configure the following setting. Computer configuration, administrative templates, network, LANman workstation, enable SMB over Quick. Changes and improvements. General. The build watermark at the lower right-hand corner of the desktop is not present in this build and will return in future Insider Preview builds. This is part of normal process for preparing Windows 11, version 2.4H2 for release to customers later this year, but does not mean done. Windows 11, version 2.4H2, will be this year's annual feature update. Windows 11 will have an annual feature update cadence that releases in the second half of the calendar year. Copilot in Windows. You can ask Copilot in Windows in Preview for help 10 times when you sign into Windows using a local account. After that, you must sign in using a Microsoft account MSA or a Microsoft Entra ID account, formerly Azure Active Directory Azure AD. To sign in, use the link in the dialog that appears in Copilot in Windows. If you do not sign in, some Copilot features might not work. Settings. The redesigned version of the Delivery Optimization Settings page under Settings greater than Windows Update greater than Advanced Options greater than Delivery Optimization that was first introduced in Build 25987 has been reverted to the previous design starting with Build 26085. Microsoft planned to bring back this redesigned settings page in a future flight after fixing some bugs. Fixes for known issues. General. Fixed an issue which was causing video stutters in some apps and possibly impacting FPS in some games in the previous flight. Taskbar and system tray. Fixed an Explorer.x crash that was impacting taskbar reliability. File Explorer. Fixed an issue causing some insiders to see File Explorer unexpectedly using the previous design and have no tabs in the latest builds. Task Manager. Fixed an issue where Task Manager was holding on to process handles sometimes, leading to processes not stopping when you closed apps if you'd had Task Manager open. Windowing. Fixed an underlying issue which was causing the bottom half of secondary monitors to be unusable sometimes in recent builds. App windows wouldn't maximize to that area. Fixed an Explorer.x crash which was happening for some insiders recently when dragging Windows. Known issues. General. Microsoft investigating reports that some Windows insiders in the Canary and Dev channels are stuck on Build 26040 or Build 23620. The investigation is ongoing. However, if you are impacted by this and really want to get onto the latest build in the Canary or Dev channel today, you can download the latest ISO and do a clean install and opt your device back into flighting in the Canary or Dev channels. Some insiders report that Shutdown is still not working on their PCs after Build 26085 and are working on a fix. Copilot in Windows. Voice access does not work reliably with the updated Copilot in Windows experience that introduces the ability for Copilot to act like a normal application. Using Windows Ink to write in Copilot will not work with the updated Copilot in Windows experience that introduces the ability for Copilot to act like a normal application window. When Copilot in Windows is docked and resized to a large width, Copilot does not always fill the width of the panel. Resizing Copilot usually fixes this issue. With the updated Copilot in Windows experience that introduces the ability for Copilot to act like a normal application window, you may not be able to bring focus to the or refresh buttons within Copilot when using a keyboard X, by using Tab to cycle through buttons. That's all in this build. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and share the video and subscribe our channel.